at saka sa yung last na yata itong Pogo, no? Because we will terminate the Pogo hearing. Actually, supposed to be last week pa na-terminate na namin yun. Because of the recent revelation and information na merong a certain Richard Lim at saka a certain personality na king of all kings ng Pogo. Yun ang sabi nila eh. So, and si Chairman Dan Fernandez would like us to invite this person para matapos namin ito, ma-terminate na rin namin.
Last hearing na.
Last hearing na to sa Pogo at siguro tutuloy-tuloy na lang yung EJK at saka yung drugs.
Kailan ang committee report mo sa Pogo?
And then on, if we wrap up on Thursday for the year, next week meron kaming presentation ng committee report sa plenary. Nasubmit na namin, pinag-aaralan but I'm sorry I cannot give you a copy yet until majority of the members of the committee will approve it. At syempre, pati yung sa plenary, kailangan ma-aprobahan mo.
So what about Pogo po, ang agenda for Thursday? Or...
Pogo, drugs, and EJK. Yung tatlo. Parang closing yun for the year.
Any invited guests or new witnesses?
That Mr. Richard Lim, I think, is invited, and another personality. Of course, Alice Go will be invited.
Confirmed na darating sir?
Hindi pa because apparently may problema yata sa schedule ng hearing sa court. No? So if it will not run in conflict with the schedule of the court, no, then definitely she has to come and she has to appear before the committee.
May lalabas kayong bagong testigo.
Yung testigong bago, again, as we always do,
Surprise!
ay, alam nyo na. See, we will see. EJK and drugs. These are very controversial issues that we will tackle continuously until probably we can say that we have already comprehensively tackled all the issues concerning these two topics.